Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to ARD Current Affairs series. Students, as promised, we have come up with ARD Current Affairs series, and in this video we will be covering the ARD Current Affair of your March 2023. And this video is going to be the part 2 of this month, as we have already covered the part 1 in the previous video. If you haven't watched that, you can just go and check out that also. ठीक है? So students, no need to worry. Current affairs से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. We have come up with a series for you just to help you out so that आपकी ARD current affair की जो preparation है exam के लिए वो अच्छे से हो जाए, right? So students, what you can do, you can take the help of this series and just prepare your ARD current affair. So with that, student, I request you, if you are new to here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also if you want to download the lecture of this lecture, you can join us on our Telegram channel. चलो अब ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए स्टार्ट करते हैं. So with our very first question, that is, recently which of the following state has launched country's first Resham Keet Bima program to safeguard its sericulturist? So basically the question is asking you that which among the given following states has become the first state to launch Resham Keet Bima program to safeguard their sericulturist. Options are Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh or Assam. And students, right answer for this question is Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand has become this first state. Now let us discuss what is the news in detail. As we have discussed, Uttarakhand has become the first state to start an insurance scheme for sericulturists. If you don't know what are sericulturists, basically the sericulturists are those who are rearing the silkworm for the production of silk. Okay, you must have heard the term sericulture. Sericulture is basically, if you have heard the term sericulture, so sericulture is basically rearing of your silkworm for the production of silk, and the people who are doing this sericulture are known as sericulturists, right? Now, what the government has done, what Uttarakhand government has, they have started a new insurance scheme for these sericulturists, and the name of that insurance scheme is Resham Keet Bima. Basically, student, your silk in Hindi is known as रेशम. ओके, सिल्क को हिंदी में रेशम बोलते हैं. सो यू कैन रिलेट. See, Resham Keet Bima, this program, this insurance scheme has been launched by Uttarakhand government and it was launched in Dehradun. ठीक है, कहाँ launch हुई थी? देहरादून में. And students, 200 sericulturists from 5 blocks of 4 districts. Okay, your 200 sericulturists from 5 districts of 5 blocks of 4 districts. What are the 4 districts? So Nainital, Haridwar, Dehradun or Udham Singh Nagar. These are the 4 districts, and from each district 5 blocks were selected, and total of 200 sericulturists received the insurance in the first phase of this project. Okay, so इस project के first phase में total 200 sericulturists को ये insurance मिला. ठीक है. And what are the 4 districts? They were Nainital, Haridwar, Dehradun and Udham Singh Nagar. So students, this was the news that Uttarakhand has become the first state to launch the Resham Keet Bima scheme for the sericulturists to safeguard them. Okay, this which means in case of any natural calamity, अगर कोई उनकी प्रोडक्शन में कोई नेचुरल कैलामिटी की वजह से या किसी चीज की वजह से प्रोडक्शन नहीं हो पाता है अच्छा, so they can get the benefit of this insurance. Okay, they can have this insurance and they can be back up through this insurance. Okay, that is why this thing has been done by Uttarakhand government. Now let us discuss the next question with the which is that recently 49th Dairy Industry Conference organized by Indian Dairy Association was held in which of the following state? Your options are Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh, Assam. So student, 49th Dairy Congress was held and it has been asked that where it was held. So right answer for this question is Gujarat. ठीक है? So कहाँ हुई थी? गुजरात में हुई थी. Let us discuss the news in detail. Students, your Indian Dairy Association, Indian Dairy IDA, Indian Dairy Association, which is the apex body. Okay, this is the apex body of dairy in India, and they have what they have done, they have organized this 49th Dairy Industry Conference, and where they have organized in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. ठीक है, कहाँ ऑर्गेनाइज की गई थी? गांधीनगर, गुजरात में. And they have released some data during this conference. some data was come out. Okay, some data was released by this association. So according to that, the annual progress rate of dairy sector in India is 6.6%. Students, now this data are very important for exam. I request you all, if you can note down it, note down and also memorize it. Okay, साथ साथ में याद भी करते रहिए. See, जो annual progress rate है, according to this association, जो डेयरी सेक्टर है, द एनुअल प्रोग्रेस रेट ऑफ योर डेयरी सेक्टर इज 6.6%. ओके, एंड डेयरी एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री सेक्टर इज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग 4.5% टू आवर जीडीपी. ओके, टोटल जीडीपी 4.5% कंट्रीब्यूशन किसका है? हमारा डेयरी एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री का. एंड ऑल्सो योर डेयरी सेक्टर इज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग 24% टू योर एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर. जो टोटल एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर है उसमें 24% इज कंट्रीब्यूटेड बाय योर डेयरी सेक्टर. ओके, with rupees 10 lakh crores. And milk processing capacity, the milk processing capacity of our country is estimated 126 million liter per day. See students, we are producing 126 million liter milk per day. That is our milk processing capacity per day. And also the per capita consumption of our milk is 427 gram per capita. Okay students, which means if we divide the total production by total population, so each the production, the per capita production of our per capita availability of our milk is 427 gram per capita. Okay, then Indian progress. Okay, in India, India progress 22% of the total milk production. Okay, your India process out of the total world milk processing, India is processing 22%. Okay, out of total world processing, here India is processing 22% of milk. Okay, so students, these are the very important, this table is very important for your exam point of view. You must remember all these data. Okay, this can be asked in your exam. Now let us discuss the next question. Recently, based on recommendation of Commission of Agriculture Cost and Prices, what is the MSP of raw jute for 2023-24 season? Your options are 5,050 rupees per quintal, 4,050, 6,050, 7,050 or 8,050 rupees per quintal. And right answer for this question is 5,050 rupees per quintal. Now let us see what is the news. So basically students, the government has given hike to the jute MSP. Okay, government hikes raw jute MSP by rupees 300. Okay, जो पहले MSP था जूट का उसमें उन्होंने 300 रुपीज और बढ़ा दिए हैं. एंड नाउ द MSP is rupees 5,050 per quintal. Okay, this is the MSP of your jute. Okay, so basically minimum support price of MSP of your jute has been increased by rupees 300 and now it has come to 5,050 per quintal. And students, your T3 equivalent to earlier T5 grade in 2023-24 season. Now ये T3 T4 क्या है? So basically जूट को हम grade करते हैं and this it is graded from T1, T2, T3 as such, और T1 से लेकर T8 तक grading की जाती है जूट की, जूट quality की. T1 being the best jute and T8 being the worst quality jute. Okay, so this is nothing, just a grading system of jute. And students, this decision was taken at कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स मीटिंग. ओके, कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स की मीटिंग में डिसीजन लिया गया था, विच वाज चेयर्ड बाय आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र सिंह मोदी. ओके, मिस्टर नरेंद्र सिंह मोदी. सो बेसिकली दिस वाज द न्यूज. एंड यहाँ पे आपको क्या याद रखना है, दैट इज यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट इट हैज बीन इंक्रीज बाय रुपीज 300 एंड नाउ द current MSP of jute is your 5,050 rupees per quintal. Okay, so that is the important for your exam. Now moving on to the next question, which is recently, as per the data released by Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry, Dairying, during second round of foot and mouth disease vaccination drive, what is the number of cattle and buffaloes in the country have now been covered? Okay, your options are 34 crore, 41 crore, 24 crore, 78 crore, 83 crore. Now it has been asked that during the second round of your foot and mouth disease vaccination, how many number of cattle has been vaccinated? And student, right answer for this question is 24 crore. Okay, 24 crore cattle has been vaccinated. Now let us discuss the news in detail. As we have discussed that vaccination against foot and mouth disease has been completed and 24 crore cattle and buffalo has been vaccinated in this round. Okay, and students, according to data, of the foot and mouth disease vaccination, total cattle was vaccinated, that is 24 करोड़, ठीक है, कितने 24 करोड़ कैटल्स को वैक्सीनेशन कर दिया गया है एंड टारगेट पॉपुलेशन वाज 25.8 करोड़. व्हाट वाज द टारगेट? 25.8 करोड़, बट हमने कितने कर दिए? 24 करोड़, विच इज समवेयर अ गुड डेटा. ओके, हमने कितना, एटलीस्ट द कवरेज ऑफ 95% हैज बीन डन. ओके, वी हैव कवर्ड 95% cattles. Okay, and it is aiming to eradicate the foot and mouth disease by 2023, sorry. Okay, so students, your Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, they have launched, okay, they have launched the National Animal Disease Control Program, NADCP, in 2019. Okay, so this program was launched by this department in 2019, now, which is now the part of your livestock health and disease control program. Okay, and the aim of this program is to eradicate the foot and mouth disease among the cattle by 2023. Okay, so that was the history, that was the background. You must know that this lies under which program. So basically, livestock health and disease control program, they are aiming that under this program, it is aim of that is that program that we have to eradicate foot and mouth disease by 2023. Okay, now let us discuss what is this foot and mouth disease. So basically, students, foot and mouth disease is infectious and sometimes fatal disease. Okay, it is an infectious and sometimes fatal disease of cattle and animals, and this FMT belong to risk 4 group as per WHO organization. Now, what is this risk 4? So basically, the organism which are harmful, which are very important, which are very crucial for human and animal, like they are very highly infectious. Okay, they are causing very economic losses. So they have been classified under different groups by WHO, World Organization for Animal Health. So this FMD has been classified. This FMD has been grouped under risk group 4 by World Organization of Animal Health. Okay, and your FMD belongs to Aphthovirus genus, and the family is Picoraviridae. Okay, students, the family is Picoraviridae. Okay, now the family is not important for exam. Genus में भी नहीं आएगा, but only you must remember that it is a viral disease. It can be asked, foot and mouth disease is viral, bacterial, or which kind of disease? Fungus. ठीक है? So you must know that it is a viral disease. ठीक है? So now here you have to remember this data about this program, and foot and mouth disease is a viral disease, right? Now that was about this news. Let's discuss the next question, which is, recently which of the following conference was organized by APEDA to stimulate the export of millet from India and provide market linkage to the producer? Your options are Millet Export Conference, Global Millet Data Conference, Promotion of Global Millet Conference, Global Millet Sri Anna Conference, Indian Millet Conference. And students, right answer for this question will be Global Millet Sri Anna Conference. ठीक है? We have already discussed in March 1 that APEDA has been interested to promote the Indian millets into the national market, and under that the APEDA is trying to do many steps. Okay, they have तो अपेडा ने बहुत सारे इनिशिएटिव लिए हैं. अपेडा हैज टेकन मेनी इनिशिएटिव्स, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ देम दैट दे हैव conducted a conference which is Global Millet Sri Anna Conference. Okay, now let us discuss this news that APEDA, first of all, what is APEDA? It is Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority. Okay, Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority, that is the full form of APEDA. So they had organized this conference. Okay, और ये कहाँ ऑर्गेनाइज हुई थी? दैट वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन योर न्यू दिल्ली. स्टूडेंट्स, यू मस्ट नो where this conference was organized in New Delhi, and why was it organized? So basically to stimulate the export of millet from India and provide linkage to the producer. As I have already told you that APEDA has been given the responsibility to promote the millet at the international market, basically Indian millet at the international market. So that is why this conference, okay, that was the purpose of this conference. And also students, MOU has been signed between World Food Program and Government of India. Okay, so this MOU has been signed for cooperation between 2023 to 2027. Okay, so 2023 से लेके 2027 तक के लिए ये MOU साइन हुआ है between World Food Program and Government of India. ठीक है, so that was the news. And student, AG Live 2023 additional news for you, the Millet Challenge. Okay, this was also held, and this is the this is a program which was kept to increase the interaction among the millet based investors, entrepreneurs, other stakeholders. Okay, सो इन लोगों के लिए एक जिस प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करा गया, सो दैट वाज योर एजी लाइव 2023 द मिलेट चैलेंज. ठीक है. Now I hope this news is clear to you. Let's move on to the next news, which is recently Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister has inaugurated the International Conference on Blended Learning Ecosystem for Higher Education in Agriculture, which was held in which of the following place? Okay, your options are Mysore, Pondicherry, Goa, Bangalore, New Delhi. And students, right answer for this question is New Delhi. Okay, now let us discuss what was the news. So this conference, international conference on blended learning ecosystem for higher education in agriculture. So students, basically to promote the agriculture education, to promote the more agriculture education in our country, this conference was held. Okay, and it was organized at New Delhi by ICAR with collaboration with World Bank. ठीक है, student, ICR with collaboration with World Bank has organized this conference at New Delhi. So why this news is important? Because see, World Bank is involved here. Okay, it is an international body. It has been involved here, and with collaboration with World Bank's ICR, they have launched this. They have organized this conference. Okay, so basically, why they was or this conference was organized, as I have already told you, that they are trying to promote agriculture education. Okay, so the highlights the need to incorporate digital resources and tools for effective accessible teaching and learning in agriculture. ठीक है, that was the agenda of this conference. ठीक है students, I hope this was a very short news and it is clear to you. You just need to remember the conference, why it was organized, where and who has organized that. Okay, now let's discuss next question, which is which of the following is estimated by situation assessment survey through the survey conducted by National Sample Survey Office, that is NSSO. Okay, options are farmers expenditure, farmers income, farmers gross income, farmers asset, or farmers liabilities. And students, the right answer for this question is farmers income. Farmers, basically through your situation assessment survey, farmers income has been estimated. Okay, now let us discuss what is the news. So student situation assessment survey that was conducted to estimate the farmers income of a country, and through the how they have estimated this, through the survey that was conducted by National Sample Survey Office, NSSO. Now student, NSSO is a body which is responsible for conducting this survey, and they conduct the survey on various socio-economic factors. Okay, this survey various socio-economic factors of our country. Okay, and that the survey conducted by this was taken by situation assessment survey, and then the farmers income has been estimated. Okay, now you must know that your situation assessment survey, in this farmers income is being estimated by the survey conducted through NSSO, that is National Sample Soil, sorry, National Sample Survey Office. Okay, now students, see, in your situation assessment survey, monthly agriculture household income was estimated. As I have already told you that NSSO is responsible for collecting the data for various socio-economic factors, and the household income was also household income was estimated through the data collected by NSSO, and then farmers income was estimated. See, so the monthly agriculture household income was estimated, and in 2012 and 13 the estimation was 6,426, and in 2020 sorry, in 2018 and 19 it is 10,218. Now you can see that it has remarkably increased. Okay, so basically your farmers income has increased from 2012-13 to 2018-19. ठीक है, now what is the objective, what are the objective of this survey basically? So ownership and operational holding of rural household has been assessed, then your ownership of livestock has been assessed, income, productive asset, and indebtedness of agriculture household has been assessed, and awareness and access to various technology development. ठीक है, so that was the objective of this survey. Now, moving on to next question, which is recently where was the International Ayurveda Conclave on Veterinary and Ayurveda was inaugurated? Your options are Delhi, Dehradun, Chandigarh, Haridwar, or Rishikesh. Students, the right answer for this question is Haridwar. ठीक है, Haridwar में this conclave was held. Okay, now let us discuss the news. Basically, your International Ayurveda Conclave on Veterinary and Ayurveda was inaugurated at Haridwar. Okay, students, important. You must know where it was inaugurated. ठीक है. And the place of inauguration was Rishikul campus of Ayurveda University at Haridwar, Uttarakhand. ठीक है. And it was inaugurated by our Union Minister of State for Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. ठीक है. जो हमारे यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री हैं, मिनिस्टर हैं स्टेट के, he had inaugurated this particular conclave. And what was the highlight? Okay, what was the purpose of this conclave? What is the highlight of this conclave? Basically, historical use of Ayurveda in animal treatment, and shared the government is working toward validating its use. So basically, the use of Ayurveda in animal treatment, that was the highlight of this conclave. And also he said that, our union minister said that the government is working toward validating its use. Our government is working toward validating of Ayurveda for animal treatment. Okay, so that was a small news, students. Only you have to know that where this was inaugurated at Haridwar. ठीक है, and what was the highlight. ठीक है. Now student, that was the last news. I hope you have clearly understood the news which I have discussed here. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like the video, do let me know. Thank you so much.